Hello everyone, this is Falguni Zaveri from Karma Healing. Today I am here to do the reading for next week, that is from 25th May to the 31st May. For the next week reading will start now. Sign Aries. Let's see what Aries has to say for the next week. Where your health is concerned, Aries people has to be careful with their sacral chakra. Women have to be really careful with maybe a stomach pain or something related to the sacral chakra. Where your career and work is concerned, again there is a sign that you have to be very careful if there is some coming opportunities that you sign, and look at whatever you're signing very carefully. Sign the documents, do not just close your eyes and go for it. And where your relationship are concerned, there are chances that someone older in your family, maybe a mother figure or someone might have some kind of health problems coming next week. The relationship card is very okay for Aries for the next week. Now we will go ahead and do the reading for Taurus. So let's see what the next week says about people born under April 20th to May 20th. Let's see. Okay. Taurus. 2 and 3. Where your health is concerned, Taurus people, next week is great for you. I feel a lot of joy, a lot of happiness coming your way next week. So that will be keeping your health in good spirits, and you shall be fine. The health looks fantastic for next week for the people born under Taurus. Where your career is concerned, I do see a lot of arguments, a lot of things happening, like suppose arguments with your boss or related to maybe a paycheck or money, or there is something that you will not get what you have been wanting from whoever, where your work is concerned, where your career is concerned. Where relationships are concerned, whatever relationship you are in, I don't see anything new coming next week, but whatever you are in the relationship is going to be alright, it's going to be stable, and it's going to rock. But I don't see anything new relationship coming your way for the next week. Now we'll go ahead and do Gemini. That is May 21 to June 20. So 3 cards for Gemini. Where Gemini is concerned, if I see about their health is also going to be fine. I don't see anything major happening next week. In fact, if you are suffering for some problems in the gone week or month or something, in fact the next week will be a better week for you. Where your career is concerned, I see opportunities coming your way for Gemini people. You will move ahead where from so many days if you're feeling stuck, or your business is not going anywhere, or your work is not going anywhere. Next week will be a situation where you will see a progress in your work or your career is concerned. Where relationships are concerned, yes Gemini, I do see some new relationship coming your way. There are chances that people who are single may find someone whom there'll be a long-term relationship. People who are already in relationship, very good cards for them coming next week. So relationship is fantastic for Gemini, and the career is also good. Now we'll go ahead and do Cancer. Let's see what people born under Cancer. Okay, people born under sign Cancer, if their health is concerned, I would see that elderly person in your family, whoever is suffering from some kind of problems in the past few days or past week, past months, need to take care of their health. There are chances that their health might, be a little bit thing to worry about coming next week. Where your career is concerned, I do see a lot of obstacles coming your way. There will be a situation where you will have to fight back a lot of people or a lot of people at work, or maybe someone who's coming and causing problems to you. So where your career is concerned, you'll have to face a lot of obstacles, and you have to move ahead. The relationship card is very okay for Cancer people, as I do see a lot of bad emotions, a lot of people not actually getting together, kind of a thing. So there will be situation where there might be some arguments in relationship, there might be some kind of negativity surrounding them. So for Cancer people, if I see, the relationship is very okay for next week, and they have to be careful where health, career and relationship is concerned. Now comes Leo. Let's see what Leo has to say. See Leo. Okay, Leo have fantastic card. Leo, where career is concerned, I see, where your health is concerned, I do see you getting better with your health, being positive, being joyful, being happiness coming your way, and it's going to be a very joyful week for you next week. There are things that you have been waiting for is going to happen. If some health condition that is not getting healed or something, you will see a positive result next week. And career card is fantastic, so I think next week is going to be super for you, your people. There will be opportunities coming your way. There will be whatever you're waiting for is going to come without you asking for it. There will be a sudden change in career. There might be something that you were expecting for so long is going to show up for you next week. Where your relationship are concerned, there is a celebration coming your way next week. There are relationships getting better. So relationship cards, though there are no new relationship coming your way, the relationship that you have right now is going to be superb. So for next week, Leo cards are very good and very positive cards. I will go to Virgo, and Virgo is August 23rd to September 22. So let's see what the Virgo has to say. So I'll pick this one, Virgo, and this one. Okay, alright. For the Virgo people, if I see their health card is little bit not on a good side. They have to be very mostly concerned emotions or stress level or something. They have to keep a tab on it, because that is what will cause them a health issue coming next week. So don't think too much, don't worry so much, because that is going to cause you more health problems. Where your career is concerned, yes, I do see a good career. People who are in medical field or doctors or whoever works with doctor, anything related to medical field, I see a positive result coming. Also people who are in some different career, different job, I do see a positive result, especially for women. This next week is going to be career wise very good for women who are born in Virgo. Where the relationship are concerned, I do see a relationship coming your way next week. What it could be really a slow progress in the relationship. You will see the relationship coming, but not moving that fast as you want to. But people who are already in relationship, the cards is positive. It's on its own pace and it's going to be fine. Now comes Libra. Let's see what Libra has to say for the next week. The people born under Libra, where their health is concerned, again they have to be very careful with people, older people in their family where health is concerned. So their health will be a little, worry for them. There will be little bit of depression. There will be little bit of sadness, stress coming their way next week. Where their career is concerned, there is some good result they'll see coming next week. Positive results. In fact, I do see a female energy who will be very supportive to them where the career is concerned. Maybe a female boss, or maybe some lady who is very, very strong influence on them. So, where career is concerned, I do see a good progress for the Librans. And where the love life is concerned, I do see a okay relationship. Whatever the relationship you are in right now is going to be stable. I don't see anything, but there are issues that might come in relationship where money is concerned. So there might be, some issues where your finance is concerned. So there might be quarrel because of money. There might be misunderstanding because of money where your relationships are concerned. So just be careful with that. Otherwise, your cards are okay. Now we'll go ahead and do the Scorpio. Born under the sign Scorpio. If I see their health cards are superb. They don't have anything bad that I can see coming their way next week. A good, happy, positive results if you are waiting for will come next week where your health issues are concerned. There is no major health issue that I'm seeing coming your way next week. Where your career is concerned, there is a need of balancing your finances. There are chances that whatever you are expecting, you might not get it in the coming next week, and you will have to adjust where your financial condition, you might have to save more for the future, or you have to invest or something like that. You will have to balance it well. Where your relationship are concerned, sorry to say, but Scorpio people need to understand their relationship properly. I do see a negative energy coming next week for the people born under Scorpio. They have to be very careful with their relationship. I do see relationship breaking, maybe quarrels or some kind of misunderstanding happening in the relationship. So, and whoever is into or getting into a new relationship, better be careful that is a good relationship and the right relationship for you. Now we'll go ahead and with Sagittarius. Sagittarius, let's see what they have to say. Okay, where Sagittarius health is concerned, I do see the health cards to be fine. Again, I don't see any negative effects coming next week where the health is concerned. Whatever your health conditions are right now will remain stable. I don't see it improving also, as well as I don't see it getting bad also. Where your career is concerned, yes, there is a little bit of sadness, or a little bit of that expectation that you had might not show your way next week, and you might have to just go with whatever comes your way. There is no way you can argue for it, or you can't you might not have that kind of things that you have been expecting for next week where your career is concerned. So that might cause a little bit of sadness or depression to you. Where your relationships are concerned, Again, I will tell you, for the people under Sagittarius, have to be very careful with the relationship. There might be problems in the relationship, there might be quarrels, there might be issues, there might be misunderstanding coming next week. Also, people getting into new relationship again will have to face a problem. So just be careful you will get into a right relationship. Now we'll go ahead with Capricorn. Okay, where the Capricorn cards are concerned for the next week, where your health is concerned, there is a lot of stress coming your way. So you have to be careful with the pressure. If you have a pressure problem or something like that, related to your head or headaches or something, because there I do see a lot of stress coming where your work is concerned, where your finance is concerned. So that is going to affect you a little bit, on your nervous system. So if you have a pressure, it might increase, or any kind of pressure problems regarding or maybe migraines or sinus or something related to that might have a problem coming next week. Where your career is concerned, again I don't see a very good card for you, so there might be problems. You might not get what you're expecting next week. In fact, you might hear some news where your career is concerned or your work is concerned that won't be good news for you. So career wise, you need to be ready to get some kind of a news that might not be a very good news for you next week. Where your relationship are concerned, is going in a full speed. I see relationships very good. Whatever it is right now you are in the relationship is fantastic. I don't see any trouble coming your way. In fact, it's moving very smoothly. So the cards are very okay for the Capricorns. Now we'll go ahead and do the Aquarius. Where Aquarius is concerned, where the health is concerned, I do see something coming where that needs to be little concerned about their health. They need to be careful about their health. Not a major health issue, but they have to be like indigestion or maybe a stomach pain or a cold cough, something like that is coming their way. But there is a health issue that will disturb them next week. Also, where career is concerned, there is a lot of burden that is going on Aquarius. They have taken a lot of burden. In fact, the career is going to bring them a lot of burden coming next week. They're going to feel burden all the time. So they have to take it easy the coming next week, because the career is going to give them a lot of work, maybe a lot of burden, or not give them what they are looking for. And where their relationship are concerned, the relationship is quite okay. I don't see any problems coming your way. Again, financial condition, due to financial condition or due to money, they have to be careful that that doesn't occur, or that their relationship doesn't face any kind of problems just because of finance. Otherwise, the relationship looks perfectly alright. There shouldn't be a problem. Now we will go ahead and do Pisces. Okay, where health are concerned, where Pisces people are concerned, they have to be careful because they are ignoring their health conditions right now. So they have to be very, very careful about their health conditions. If there is a minor issue coming your way next week, make sure you get it checked properly, so that you actually know what the problem is. Don't just keep on waiting, that I'll just eat couple of on the counter medicine and I should get better kind of a thing. Please go to the doctor and show the doctor exactly what is wrong with you. Where your career is concerned, there are a lot of I see obstacles coming your way where you will have to fight back. You will have to fight back for your rights. You will have to fight back for your position maybe, or where your career is concerned. You have to be careful next week, because there might be news coming that might not be according to your expectations, and there might be issues rising where you will have to fight back for it. And where your relationships are concerned, the cards are okay. Whatever relationship you are in, it's perfectly okay. You are blessed. There is no worry in the relationship you are into. And if anyone wants to go into a new relationship, or if there's a relationship coming their way, they are okay to go ahead and take it. I don't see any problem coming next week where relationship is concerned for the Pisces. So guys, we are done with the tarot readings for next week, that is 25th May to the 31st May. I end my video here. Do like and subscribe my video, and also we have a FB page and an Instagram page, so do like us there too. And thank you so much. Stay blessed, stay loved, and be happy. God bless.